We don't realize is there's a cycle happening within us, which is that if you send me a negative cue, I internalize it, and that changes the cues I'm sending back to you. Here's a very simple experiment that showed this. They put a participant in a room, and they had an actor in the room flash them a social rejection cue. That could be an eye roll, a scoff, a distancing and blocking behavior. So the participants in the room and this person across from them, they don't know as an actor, sends them a social rejection cue. What they found was the moment that participant saw the social rejection cue, their own pupils dilated and their field of vision increased. This means that somebody saw, that person doesn't like me, and their body reacted to fight or flight. Does anyone else feel this way about me? Are there any escape routes for me? And that then changed what cues they sent back to that person. They were more anxious, they were more nervous. If you walk into a room with someone and you're feeling bad, you probably caught a cue. Here's the good news. You can stop the cue cycle from being negative. There's also positive cues, right? We can catch positive cues that can be good for us, but we can stop the negative cycle if we label the cue we see. Dr. Matthew Lieberman at UCLA studied this very clearly. He put people in fMRI machines and he flashed them a fear microexpression, the one that you showed us earlier, with your eyes really wide. When people saw the fear microexpression, they caught the fear. They began to feel afraid and their amygdala lit up. But when he taught them say fear or think fear, he taught them the microexpression, it stopped activating their amygdala. Meaning, if you know how to read the 97 cues and you see contempt or social rejection or a mouth shrug or a lip purse, all not great cues, you can in your head say, lip purse, I'm good, or clocked, noted. That intel is actually empowering. So that backdoor into confidence is also, you can label it, name it, tame it, and you're in control of it. That is a much better way to interact. It also can help you like people, for all my people who don't like people.
Okay, so in those moments, I should, in my head, just say what
Clocked.
I'm
Label it.
clocked.
Yeah, like that's what I say to myself. Or like red flag or noted.